Today, you'll learn to discuss tech carbon emissions and system scaling in global software engineering interviews. Imagine you are interviewing for a global systems role, and they ask you how you balance high-scale system capacity with corporate energy targets. To show strategic depth, don't just talk about code speed. You need to analyze the real power and environmental costs of scaling up. Let's start with the noun adjustments, which means small changes made to improve something or make it fit better. Next, we have the noun metric, which is a standard way of measuring something, like carbon outputs. To describe relative development, we use to keep pace, meaning to move or develop at the same speed as something else. Next is the phrasal verb to ramp up, which means to increase the level or amount of something significantly. Finally, we have the noun capacity, which represents the total amount that something can hold or produce. Google's carbon emissions, by 25% since last year. Choose the correct tense for a change that started in the past and relates to the present. The correct answer is have gone up. Because the time frame connects the past to the present using since, the present perfect is the correct strategic grammar choice. Now repeat after me out loud. We need to ramp up our clean energy supply. We need to ramp up our clean energy supply. Our carbon metric has improved recently. Our carbon metric has improved recently. In this lesson, we practiced discussing system scaling, energy metrics, and using the present perfect tense correctly. Practice your own voice in a supportive, friendly environment on Career Talk Lab. Record your voice and get instant pronunciation feedback. See you in the next lesson.